Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear purchase history on App Store in iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to clear purchase history of your App Store in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to open your App Store and make sure that you're using iOS 26. And now you have to simply tap on your profile. Then you have to go to app and purchase history and then tap on purchase history. And from here you will see all of your purchase history of your app store. So guys, here you can see since there is no search history of my purchase because I have cleared it. If you want to clear the purchase history, you will see all of your purchase history here, and then you will get the option to clear purchase history also in here. So guys, once you see your purchase history, you have to simply tap on clear button, and after this a purchase history will be cleared on your app store. So guys, in this way you can also clear purchase history on your app store in iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.